Rex Trueform Clothing, together with its subsidiaries, manufactures and retails clothing-related fashion accessories through its Queen's Park and J. Crew branded outlets. It has a market cap of 350 million rand, a price-to-earnings ratio of 13 and a dividend yield of 3%. Queen's Park is a relatively well-known brand out there.
Yeah, it's got a funny structure. So the Shub family, S-H-U-B, control this group through African and overseas enterprises, which in turn owns 70% of Rex Trueform. The original Rex Trueform was a suit manufacturer back in the Cape, but it's sort of evolved. Queen's Park is not a bad business. The shares don't really trade.
They don't have any sports clothes for you, though.
No, but they've got sort of, high-end ladies' clothes at Queen's Park, which do quite well. And I know some people going to the stores say they've, improved in recent years.
One would say he's a retail analyst. Don't you think he knows an incredible amount of detail about all of these stocks?
Look at his style, yes. Obviously, he must be a lot of time in the shops.
Viv, what can you tell me about Rex Trueform?
Well, if you actually look back a few more years, you'd find even greater improvement in share price here. Surprising considering what this market has been doing to these clothing manufacturers. So you have seen a share price that's been very strong. Unfortunately,
it's illiquid.
It's very liquid, and also came out with a trading report today, trading statement today, that said that they're going to see earnings drop by between 90 and 110%. So it may actually be operating at a loss at the moment. We haven't actually seen those numbers come out quite as yet.
Yeah, just to recap that, I mean, that's a trading update literally in the last few days or hours or something. The chief executive, Catherine Radowski there, indicated in her commentary that they've had costs associated with the development of a new line, which is called Cath Nick. I don't know what that is. Cath Nick. That's some sort of ladies' new brand.
Is it not a ladies and men's
But it sounds suspicious.
offering?
Her name is Catherine, and the new brand's name is Cath Nick. It sounds like a personal project. I'm going to get into trouble here, I can tell.
I can see the emails coming in tomorrow. You're going to have to issue an apology tomorrow.
But I mean, for a clothing retailer not to be making profits now, I think is a problem.
So are we going to hot or not on Rex Trueform? I'm slightly lost. Rex Trueform, hot or not?
Look, considering the stock price has gone up so strongly, just the illiquidity of the stock and the kind of trading update would make me say not hot.
Not hot. And
yes,
Paul?
so the heirs and descendants of the Shub family are still the controlling shareholders. As I said, it hardly trades. It's a bit patchy, and it's not making good, consistent profits. So it can't be hot, not hot.